Questions from the jury on day 5 of deliberations in the sex trafficking trial of Ghislaine Maxwell, Jeffrey Epstein's former girlfriend and associate. CBS 2's Lisa Rozner live outside the federal courthouse in Lower Manhattan with more. Lisa?
Well, Andrea, the pressure is on. The judge says an astronomical spike in COVID cases in our area could derail proceedings. The jury and trial participants will have to quarantine if anyone catches the virus. Throughout the trial, 60-year-old Ghislaine Maxwell was at times cheerful when interacting with lawyers and family members like her siblings. She actively passed notes with her attorneys and was seemingly emotional at one point. She did not take the stand in her own defense, telling the judge, "The government has not proven its case beyond a reasonable doubt, so there is no reason for me to testify." Prosecutors argued Maxwell was Jeffrey Epstein's right hand, the lady of the house, recruiting and grooming teenagers, some as young as 14, and often from broken homes, to give Jeffrey Epstein massages for money that they allege turned into sexual abuse, sometimes with Maxwell joining in. That abuse, they say, took place from 1994 to 2004 at a New York mansion, a Florida estate, a New Mexico ranch, and the U.S. Virgin Islands, with age-appropriate Maxwell present at times, they say, to help normalize Epstein's behavior. The defense argued Maxwell is not Jeffrey Epstein and that investigators are seeking a scapegoat in his absence, claiming the 4 women who testified about abuse had flawed memories manipulated decades later by lawyers representing them as they sought millions of dollars in payouts from a special fund set up after Epstein's suicide to compensate victims. The defense said she's being tried here for being with Jeffrey Epstein. Maybe that's the biggest mistake of her life, but it's not a crime. Prosecutors called the defense's claim that Maxwell didn't know about abuse that occurred a laughable argument, saying the women put themselves through the hell of testifying. They did it for justice. She faces up to 70 years behind bars. Maxwell has been jailed since her July 2020 arrest. Bail was denied repeatedly. There will be a separate trial for 2 counts of perjury. The jury told the judge yesterday it is making progress. The judge has asked them to work tomorrow and Friday, which were scheduled days off. We're live in Lower Manhattan. Lisa Rozner, CBS 2 News.
Lisa, thank you.